CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE. Unit 3, multiple integrals. Multiple integrals. Lesson 7. Problem 16. Change the order of integration. Change the order of integration and evaluate the same and evaluate the same in I is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral x to 2 minus x by y dy dx. Solution. Here x is there. We have to integrate opposite variable. We have to integrate first opposite variable with respect to y. Dy is there first. Dx. So this is correct order. So write this order as it is. X by y dy dx. These are y limits. These are x limits. Y limits are y is equal to x, y is equal to 2 minus x. X limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. On changing the order of integration, on changing the order of integration, I is equal to double integral x by y dx dy. Here order is dy dx. We have to write change the order of integration. We write dx dy. Now we have to obtain here x limits, here y limits according to given rules and diagrams. Here y is equal to x is a straight line passing through origin. A second curve y is equal to 2 minus x. So x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. X by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Intercept form. On x-axis the point is, on x-axis the point is 2, 0. On y-axis the point is 0, 2. Diagram. X-axis, y-axis. This is y is equal to x line. This is x plus y intercept form of the line. This point is 2, 0. This point is 0, 2. This is 0, 1. We have to identify the required region between the two lines is nothing but this is the required region. Now how to get the intersect point, this point. Y is equal to x, y is equal to 2 minus x. So left sides are equal, right sides x equal to 2 minus x. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 2, 1. Automatically y is equal to, substituting here or here x value 1, we get y is equal to 1. intersecting point 1 1. So here you write 1 1. This region split into two parts. One part is I1 and another part is I2. Lower part I1, upper part I2. So finally our y value is I1 plus I2. So automatically this point is 0 1 0 1. Now for I1 how to get limits? I1 means this region, below region. Take elementary step parallel to x-axis. Here x is equal to 0. On this line x is equal to y. So x limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to y. Y limits are for cover the below region, I1 region, to move the strip along y axis. So y limits are 0 to 1. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. For I2, x limits are, for I2 you take elementary strip parallel to x axis like this. Here x is equal to 0. Here x value from this line is x plus y is equal to 2. From this x value is 2 minus y. So x limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 minus y. Y limits are, to cover the above region means I2 region, you move this strip like this for above. So along y axis. Here y is 1, here y is 2. So y limits are y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Now I is equal to I1 plus I2. How to get I1 value? Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to y, x by y, first with respect to x, next with respect to y, into 0 to 1, with respect to x, 1 by y constant. So x integration, x square by 2, 0 to y dy is equal to 0 to 1, 1 by y. Substituting upper limit, instead of x you write y square by 2 minus lower limit 0. No, you not write. Y cancel here. So integral 0 to 1 y by 2 dy. Y integration y square by 2. Already 2 is there. 2 into 2 4. 0 to 1 is equal to, substituting upper limit, we get, instead of y you write 1 by 4 minus 0, nothing but 1 by 4. Your I1 1 by 4. Now I2 is equal to integral 1 to 2, integral 0 to 2 minus y, x by y, first with respect to x, next with respect to y. Same observation here, with respect to x, 1 by y constant, x integration x square by 2, 0 to 2 minus y dy. Integral 1 to 2, 1 by y. Instead of x you write upper limit 2 minus y. So 2 minus y whole square by 2 dy. 1 by 2 common. Integral 1 to 2, 1 by y. A minus b whole square. 4 plus y square minus 2ab, 4y dy. Separate it. Integral g1 to 2, dividing by y, 4 by y plus y square by y minus 4y by y, 4 dy. Now integrate it. 4 constant, integral 1 by y dy, log y. Integral y dy, y square by 2 minus 4 into integral dy, y. 1 to 2. 1 by 2. 4. Instead of y, you write upper limit. Log 2 plus 2 square by 2. 4 by 2. 2 minus 4 into 2, 8. This is your upper limit. Minus lower limit. Lower limit. Instead of y, you write 1. Log 1 plus 1 square by 2. 1 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. 4 log 2 minus 6. Log 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 by 2 plus 4. 1 by 2. 4 log 2 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Dividing by 2. 2 log 2 minus 5 by 4. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. Your I1 is 1 by 4 plus 2 log 2 minus 5 by 4. 2 log 2 minus 4 by 4. So log 2 square minus 1. So log 4 minus 1. Log 4 minus 1. Problem 17. Evaluate the integral. Evaluate the integral to 0 to 1 x2 root over 2 minus x square x by root over x square plus y square dy dx by changing order of integration, by changing the order of integration. Solution. So I is equal to, observe it, here x is there, we have to first integrate with respect to y, dy is there. So okay, this is given order is correct order. Correct order. So write as it is. X by root over x square plus y square dy dx. Here y limits, these are x limits. Y limits are y is equal to x, y is equal to root 2 minus x square. X limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. On changing the order of integration, I is equal to double integral x by root over x square plus y square dx dy. Here dy dx is there, right here dx dy. Now we have to calculate, we have to obtain here x limits, here y limits according to the rules, given rules and given diagram. Now y is equal to x is given, is a straight line. Is a straight line passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. Y is equal to root over 2 minus x square. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to 2 minus x square. Take x square this side. X square plus y square is equal to 2. This, you write this one, x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. This is of the form x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So this represents circle, is a circle. So is a circle. Center A, B, radius R. Here center 0, 0, radius root 2. R square is equal to root 2 whole square. R is equal to root 2. Radius root 2. Diagram. Circle diagram. Note down circle here. X-axis, origin. This is y-axis. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. This is 0, 0. This is radius root 2. So this point is root 2, 0. This point is root 0, root 2. This point. Radius is root 2. So that's why this is root 2, 0. This is 0, root 2. Now we have to find this point. What is this point? So y is equal to x. Y is equal to root over 2 minus x square. So left sides are equal. So x is equal to root over 2 minus x square. Squaring on both sides, we get 2x square is equal to x square is equal to 2 by 2, 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. You take 1 only. First quadrant. Q1. First quadrant. So take x is equal to 1. So positive quadrant. So y is equal to 1. So this point is 1, 1. Point is 1, 1. What is this point? Intersecting point. Intersecting point 1, 1. So this is 1. So our region is, this is our dotted region. Here, not this one. Here, lower limit is, the given problem, lower limit is y is equal to x. Upper limit is y is equal to root of 2 minus x square. Y is equal to x means we have to start like here y is equal to x. That's why we get this region. Split into two parts. This is I1, above part is I2. Automatically this point is 0, 1. Now take an elementary strip parallel to x-axis. Here x is equal to 0. On the line x value y. For I1, x limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to y. Y limits are, to move this region, this strip below region, here along y-axis, y limits here 0, here 1. So y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. For I2, x limits are, take elementary step here. Take elementary step. Here x is equal to 0. Here x value, your x value, y value, what is the relation between x square plus y square is, relation between x and y is x square plus y square is equal to 2. Here we have to get x value. So x square is equal to 2 minus y square. X is equal to root plus value, positive quadrant. So root of 2 minus y square. Root of 2 minus y square. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to root of 2 minus y square. Y limits, to move the strip above region like this. Here from this to top, this way. So here y is 1, here y is root 2. So y is equal to 1, y is equal to root 2. Now I is equal to I1 plus I2. First find I1. Integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to y x by root over x square plus y square, first with respect to x, next with respect to y. First with respect to x, next with respect to y. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. We get this step 1 by 2 derivative, denominator derivative is nothing but numerator. So you use this formula. What is that formula? Integral f dash x by root over f of x dx, intermediate formula, is nothing but 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x, intermediate formula. So use that one. 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1. So 2 root f of x means x square plus y square. 0 to y, upper and lower, put upper and lower limits. These two cancel. Integral 0 to 1, put upper limit y, instead of x you write y square plus y square. Root 2y square minus root over, instead of x you write 0, root y square dy. Integral 0 to 1, root 2y minus y dy. Into 0 to 1, root 2 minus 1 y dy. To 0 to 1, root 2 minus 1, you common, root 2 minus 1 you common, into 0 to 1 y dy. Root 2 minus 1, integral y is y square by 2, 0 to 1, root 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 0. So root 2 minus 1 by 2. I2 integral 1 to root 2 integral 0 to root of 2 minus y square x by root over x square plus y square dx dy. Here also multiply both sides by both numerator and denominator by 2. Integral 1 to root 2 integral 0 to root of 2 minus y square 2x by root over x square plus y square dx dy, using the same formula. 2 root x square plus y square 0 to root of 2 minus y square dy. 2 to cancel. Into 1 to root 2, put upper limit here. Instead of x you write root of 2 minus y square. X square means 2 minus y square. So root of 2 minus y square plus y square minus lower limit root y square dy. Y square cancel. So integral 1 to root 2, this is root 2 dy minus root y square is y dy, separate it. Root 2 into integral dy is y, 1 to root 2 minus, this is y square by 2, 1 to root 2. Root 2, upper limit minus lower limit, root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means 2. 2 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. Root 2 to root 2, 2 minus root 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. This is I2. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. What is your I1 value? Root 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus root 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 LCM. Root 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 root 2 minus 1. So we get root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus root 2. 4 minus 2 2. 2 minus root 2 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by